And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only. I'm not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. So, it's morning. You know how I get down. I like to, make these videos for the people who wake up early in the morning, who don't sleep their day away, sleep their life away. They get up and they need motivation to get some money. They want to learn how to make money. They want to learn new things that they can interpret it into their life so they can make money. So that's what I'm here for. That's what I do. I'm here to motivate, teach, and preach. So it's a lot of people out there that don't understand the magnitude of making money. It's a lot of people that know how to make money that don't know how to save money. It's a lot of people that make money that don't know how to invest the money. It's a lot of people that make money that just make money and save it. And that's not how you're supposed to get rich. This is how you're supposed to get rich. This is the formula of getting rich. You find you an object or something that a lot of people want. So just like how you got Microsoft, you got Apple, you got PlayStations, you got Xboxes, you got Jordans, you got gallery department, you got Big, you got all these different products that we want so bad that they figured out, let me put this product out there that everybody's gonna need so much and I'm gonna make money off of it, right? So boom, you gotta figure out what's your product. You gotta figure out what you know, what knowledge do you know about, like what can you teach somebody that they're gonna, by you teaching them, is gonna make them money. And that's why I teach people how to do credit. That's why I teach people how to make money, how to invest money, how to make thousands of dollars a day off of iPhone, because I know so many different ways how to make money. It's like, okay, if I know so many different ways, why not help you guys in the same way? And at the end of the day, when it all boils down to it, I have no control over who does what. And what I mean by that is I can give you all the information that you need. I can lead you to the water. I can give you a floaty jacket. I can give you a canoe. I can give you 20 paddles. I can give you everything that you need to get across this water. But it's all up to you to use the information and the tools that I gave you to get across that water. So if you don't use those tools or use them in the right way, you're not going to get across that water. And it's a lot of people who are getting those tools to get credit cards, lines of credit, loans, establish business credit, doing all these type of things. And they're learning because they're understanding the process and they're getting across the water with ease. No problem. So it's a lot of people that I tell, like, okay, anybody can do anything. And the people who do the things that they're doing to make money, they actually had a liking to it and they took the time to learn it. There's not going to be an overnight thing. Some people learn things different ways. Some people interpret things faster, but you have to learn. And what I mean by learning is you got to figure out, what do you want to learn? What are you intrigued with? What do you see that other people are doing? What do you want to do that you know that can make you enough money or a lot of money that if you learned it, you can teach it or you can supply it and people will come to you for it. And they're going to give you what you need. Point blank, period. And then there's a lot of people like, how do you do YouTube? How you get paid this? How you get paid this? How you get paid that? I want to do it, but I'm gonna wait till I get my set, and I'm gonna wait till I get this or listen. Everybody, it's only 24 hours in a day, and it's people who worry about the things that they don't got, and it's people that worry about the things that they can have. And what I mean by that is, it's a lot of people out there that worry about when you worry about the things you don't have, it holds you back. And what I mean by that is you worrying about, okay, you can just literally make you an email, start your YouTube channel and start talking about your life experience, talk about the things that you like to do. Just know it's a million other people out there that think like you, that like what you like. So if you make that video and predict those videos and I give the people what they won't need, I can make that money. Or if I go learn about credit and I learn how to sweep it and I learn how to build it, I learn how to go get those trades, make my payments on time before the statement date, to start building my craft. I know all these things, so now I can start teaching it to other people and they can pay me to help them, or I can make videos on YouTube about this, and there's so many people out there on YouTube that want to learn about this stuff that they're going to watch it, and I'm telling the truth and I'm speaking the truth, that they're going to be intrigued with it, they're going to like my videos. Or I know how to, if I'm a woman, I know how to braid hairs, or I know if I learn how to braid this hair or do this style, so many people are going to want to do it. Or if I'm a trucker, oh, I know if I do these type of jobs, or if I know this one person that if I put them in the position to get their CDLs, and I got the power to put them in a truck, then now they can start making me passive income. Or if I know about this, play the game so much, okay, instead of playing the game so much and being a bum, why not play the game, make me a YouTube channel and make me a Twitch and start making money off this, being entertaining. It's all ways, so many different ways to make money. It's people who worry, and those are the people who worry about the things they could be doing to make money. I'm a person that worry about the things I could be doing to make money, because I know that if they can do it, I can do it. If you can make money doing that and I can learn the same thing and do the exact same thing, I'm gonna do the exact same thing. I'm gonna put the however much time and effort I need to put into it to learn into it. It might be bits and pieces every day, but after a while, I'm gonna start learning about it. I'm gonna start figuring out where I go to buy these type of tools or products or service or whatever I need, and it's all gonna come together. And I'm like, all right, I'm gonna take this money, I'm gonna invest in it, because I learned so much, or I got some bits and pieces of knowledge that I got enough knowledge to invest in it, and I'm gonna go on from there. That's like anybody knowing, okay, dogs, exotic Frenchies and stuff like that. If you know that all you gotta do is go buy a certain type of dog and the DNA that's gonna make a certain type of dog that's gonna make you a lot of money, why not do it? Invest. Figure out, okay, I'm gonna make this investment. I'm gonna save this money right here, or I got a buddy who say he gonna give me this for $6,500 or whatever, a decent price, so I can go get the dog for him, and now I'm making money. It's all about worrying about what you can make, because in reality, anybody can do YouTube, anybody can sell a dog, anybody can rap, anybody can do a music video, anybody can be a cameraman, anybody can do a producer. But the people who are doing it, they have a passion for it. And what I mean a passion, they've been doing it for 10 plus years, they've been doing it for 5 plus years, they've been doing it for so long that over the time they got better and better and better, and their product has gotten better and better and better. And you guys is like, man, I wish, how do y'all do that? That's because they actually liked it and started at a young age, and it got them somewhere. So you just need to worry about where you can be and stop worrying about what you don't have and where you're not, because those people are going to always be in the same position. I don't know how many people I done told to gave the sauce on doing YouTube and how to get popping and all that, and what have they done? Nothing. It's easy, like being you is the easiest thing to do. Because as long as you're you, people will love you. I'm me always. I'm never gonna fake it till I make it, try to be, no, I'm me. I don't care about none of that. Because my brand and my platform is what I'm representing. And I want people to understand that you're gonna get this all day, every day. I'm the coolest guy ever, but I'm about business. If you're not about business, I'm not gonna deal with you. It's just point blank period. People write me all day, every day, like, hey, I do this music, I got this song, I got this song. Okay, tell me this. What one single record label out there, what one A&R can you write right now that would just frivolously listen to your music because you said you're a heart artist or whatever, you got this type of song, whatever. Tell me that. You gotta think about it. It's record labels out here that's charging people $5,000 for an in-person meet, $1,000 to enter your song review, $500 for this, $500 for that. You get a look. That's gonna come out to a couple $1,000. And you can't pay somebody that's willing to, if you got something that's talented and got something that can probably do something and got the capital, you gotta pay. Point blank period. Or you're not gonna, if you can't invest into yourself, why should we invest $200,000? If you can't invest $200 into yourself, why should we invest into you? And that's why a lot of people don't get ahead with this entertainment or music business, because if you can't invest into yourself, you're going to have to invest into promo. And what I mean by promo, might have to put a couple $100 behind that Instagram ad. You might have to put a couple $100 behind that AdSense, that Google ad on YouTube. You might got to play a couple platforms to post your videos. So to do it, and you can't even invest $200 into yourself, because if anybody want me to look at their music and chop it up with me, it's $200. A music review is $200, FaceTime. You can show me what you got, we're gonna chop it up and we can see what we can do. Point blank, period. Learn about certain things. There's so many different ways to make money. It's not gonna be free. Why should I answer a phone, look at what you got for free, and then just invest in you, and you not even willing to work hard? You're not even willing to invest in yourself. I'm not gonna give you a chain and watch you not willing to invest in yourself. No, because anybody who I do business with, it's gonna be more than business. It's gonna be, okay, I'm gonna teach you the game. I'm gonna teach you the entertainment game. I'm gonna teach you the business game. I'm gonna teach you how to start your business, your LLC, get your EIN number. We're gonna make sure we clean your credit. We're gonna make sure you get established, and we're gonna make sure we turn you into a boss. You get your own employees and this and that, because at the end of the day, anybody around me gonna be their own boss. Point blank, period. Everybody their own boss. We not gonna do ain't none of that. I'm the boss, y'all my employees. No, everybody their own boss. We a team, everybody play their role. It'll make sense, literally and physically. So stop worrying, but if you wanna make money fast and easy, you gotta learn it. You wanna make money, you gotta learn it. You gotta be willing to sit back, relax, and learn and enjoy the ride, because once you learn, you might end up doing whatever you doing better than the person that you learned it from. And now they wanna learn how you do some things. You never know. So start taking the time to invest. Start taking the time to actually learn something. When I'm giving these lessons, when I'm giving the opportunity for people to learn how to do certain things, you can't say, "Oh, you charging too high." You don't say that when you're going to buy your fix every day, your smoke, your lean, or your pills or nothing. You don't say that when you go buy your Gucci, your Louis, y'all investing in things that's not even helping y'all. But y'all, I'm charging too much because my lessons, okay, $1,500 for a FaceTime one-on-one, right? I'm giving you a mega book with 41 ways how to be successful, right? Boom. If I charge $100 for you, got how to make passive income, knowledge is power, documents, CPN. That alone is another 3,000, 4,000 right there. So if